Guys, after finishing my meeting at Itham Tower, Noida, I have come to Spectrum Mall, Noida. Actually, I asked Google, where are they serving the best pizza here in Noida? And Google suggested me two places, out of which this one place, it told me that this is the best or like the most authentic one you can try here in Noida. So they call it Osteria Italian restaurant. So it is like it is an authentic Italian cafe, and its name is Osteria. So Google suggested me the place that if you want to enjoy the authentic Italian pizza and the best pizza in Noida, this is where they are serving it. So I've come here into the building. I'm at Spectrum Mall. Let me show you. So I'm at Spectrum Mall, Noida, and I'm going upstairs. The cafe is in fourth story, actually fourth floor. So it took me a little time to find the address of the cafe, not the mall. I simply booked a cab from Uber for the Spectrum Mall, and it dropped me here. But then I kept on finding where the cafe is. Then I saw the board of the Australia Cafe. It is in fourth floor actually. So I'm going to the fourth floor to the Australia Cafe, and we are going to enjoy the authentic pizza today. The best, according to Google, they are serving in Noida. So this is the cafe we are going to, Australia, the best Italian in Noida. Well, you all can see the place. We have reached to the Australia Cafe, the authentic Italian restaurant. The best pizza they serve here in Noida. Here we are. Look at the name, Australia Pizza this way. Chef is busy. I want to show you the place first. You have wooden fire pizzas.
Yes.
That's great. So I've just confirmed with the boy. They have the wooden fire pizza, and I want to remind you that according to Google, this place is serving the best pizza in Noida, the authentic Italian pizzas. So we are going to enjoy some and find out how the place is, and place, you can see we are going to find out how the pizzas are actually. Thank you. Can you please explain me which pizza is this and what all is in there?
This is our zesty base pizza. It comes with it's the Napoli style base. We prepare it in wood fire pizza. We place the marinara sauce in the base and fresh mozzarella cheese, jalapeno, red peppers, and sweet corns and that.
Okay, so it is zesty
Veg pizza.
veg pizza
Yes.
with mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella, marinara sauce, and jalapeno, red paprika, and sweet corn.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
So this is zesty veg pizza. It is spicy. I must tell you how it is tasting. It is tasting a bit spicy, and it has cheesy flavor also. A bit of it, not too cheesy, but a bit of cheesy flavor is there, and a little bit of sourness is also there. I'm not sure, maybe because of sauces or something, but maybe because of cheese or maybe because of the sauces. There is a little bit of sourness also. So frankly speaking, overall it is tasting good because it is tasting a bit sour, a bit spicy. On my special request, they have placed mushroom also in it. Otherwise, normally they put sweet corns, but I asked them to replace sweet corns with mushroom. So they placed mushroom in it and removed the sweet corns. And yes, the base is not crunchy. I personally prefer crunchy bases, but I wanted to experience Neapolitan base for the first. I mean, it is my first time I'm enjoying pizza with Neapolitan base. Otherwise, normally what we eat outside and in Domino's and all, we get those normal base pizzas like thin crust and thick crust and all. So I prefer to have thin crust pizza, crusty pizza, crunchy pizzas. I mean the pizzas with crunchy bases and crusty bases and thin crust pizzas. But this is Neapolitan base. It is not crunchy and crusty. It is soft. So I'm not getting that crunchy flavor and crunchy experience in it. But taste wise, it is good. It is tasting good, and you can see the toppings. So it is tasting good. The sourness is there, a bit of cheesiness is there. It is also spicy, and the base is not crunchy, but it is chewy, and it is giving a good experience overall. So good experience, I must tell you, as Google suggested me that they are serving authentic Italian pizza here, and they are the best in Noida actually, and it is tasting like that only. I am enjoying it. Okay, do. What it is?
This is garlic olive oil.
Garlic olive oil. Huh? So why on one side only?
Huh?
Why didn't you put it on the whole thing?
Like you should try first. If you like, then I will do it for you.
Okay. So here we have garlic olive oil and your name?
My name is Rajan Singh, sir.
Okay, so Rajan has suggested me that I should put it on the bread and it will enhance the flavor of it. So let's see how it tastes now. Thank you, Rajan.
Thank you so much.
Guys, that was my visit to Osteria, authentic Italian pizza cafe. I'm leaving now and I've already written my review on the Google for the place, and frankly speaking, so that was my trip to Osteria Pizzas, and I really enjoyed my experience here. The place is chill and pizza tasted good. The mojito was good, and especially Mr. Rajan, his prompt service, I really got what do we call it, like, I mean, he made my experience actually double awesome because of his prompt and very altruistic service and approach. I had much better time into the place because of it. So I want to give a special mention to Mr. Rajan. And this is it. That was my visit to Osteria. That was my visit to Osteria. So that was my visit to Osteria, and if you people are coming to Noida, you can definitely come to the place, give it a try, and I can tell you with full assurance that you're going to enjoy your experience over here.